The rosemary serum stimulates the scalp that promotes blood circulation and hair growth. It improves the health of your hair by strengthening the strands from the roots to the tips using natural ingredients like rosemary, clary sage, argan, and castor oil. To use, shake before using, fill the dropper bottle and apply directly to your scalp using your fingertips to massage into your scalp. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour and then shampoo, massaging your scalp. I usually use the serum 2 to 3 times a week just on hair washing days, and it helped my hair grow longer and thicker, and it also helps keep dandruff away. Essential oils are powerful and come with safety tips, so please don't use this serum if you're pregnant, nursing, with children under 10, or have epilepsy, and avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. This serum is intended for external use only. If you can't use the serum because of the essential oils, you can still enjoy the hair growth benefits of rosemary by making your own hair growth tea, where I share that recipe in the description. I use the hair growth tea daily since it's water and doesn't need to be rinsed out. Okay, so this is the hair tea. It's made with clove, rosemary, and peppermint. So to make this is evenly mixed in here. You're just going to grab 1 tablespoon and put it in your tea diffuser. You can just use it in your normal teapot and make it as if you would make normal tea. If you have the tea bags, you can put it in there, or a regular stainless steel tea diffuser. So let me go get the boiling water. Pouring the boiling water on there, and then we're just gonna let this steep for 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, the tea will be ready. We'll let it cool down, put it in a spray bottle. So you want to spray close to your scalp and then work your way down into your hair. This will help promote hair growth and reduce signs of early on graying. I know a lot of women have the hairline that goes back, so this can really help grow that in. You'll notice the baby hairs will start to come in pretty quickly once you start using it consistently. I'll just put the leftover tea in the refrigerator and then use this as a refill. These are my 2 favorite products for hair growth, the hair tea and their hair serum. Hair serum I use on hair washing days, the hair tea I spray in my hair daily. And both these are on my website, just in case you don't want to DIY them, I have them already made for you.